Hey, sana guys. Why is it if we need the Kaizer Chiefs fan, ne? Just know gore how robala. O tla para di pijama only one, ne? Yena wa para Kaizer Chiefs shirt. Kaizer Chiefs.
No, guys, we went out, ne? We just came back now, and now my pajamas are in my suitcase. Yeah, so I decided not to wear them now because I'm about to sleep now.
But what's that name, Mr. K?
I know. I only
Mr.
came.
K,
Madam K.
Come closer.
Madam K. Madam K. Listen, I just came back now, and I want to sleep. Now.
Utsuha ka yona. O robala ka yona.
Never. That born must always get change. Usile wena. Msala kusile. Arana.
Utsuha ka yona.
No, guys.
O robala ka yona.
Guys, listen. We just came back now. We are on our cruise ship room, right? We just came back now. Look at my daughter. She's resting also. You see that?
Resting.
You see? My boy. See that? My other daughter. See that? Also. We just came back. We're on top.
Uira excuse, guys. Uira excuse.
Now, excuse an eximo.
Uira excuse.
Anyway, Kaizer Chiefs, they can be a pajamas.
Kaizer Chiefs. Since I came to Kobo ya Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah, you must do that.
Akono hore arwane ka Kobo.
Exactly. Yeah, bon. Okay, guys. I think we need to sleep now because of people are sleeping now, and then in the morning we'll have to wake up. It's 20 past 3 now. 20 past 3.
And guys, get up and slap makeup.
Eh?
I
like makeup.
Your friend
it's not bad.
That's why ke beile kobo emo so that ke sa tlatsa di chila mo dipelong tsa bona.
The cruise ship staff will wash it. You don't have to worry.
Because I like it's off a lot.
Guys, we are actually
on our yes.
We are on our cruise ship cruise ship room, guys. Let me show you. You see, it's our cruise ship room. It's a room for our cruise ship. You see, guys. It's a room for our cruise ship. See, my children, go to sleep too. Go to your rooms. Need to sleep now, so we can wake up early. Yeah, so this TV is playing something else. So anyway, anyway, okay. You know what? Let's sleep, my love. Let's sleep. Let's sleep, my love. Ne? We'll finish this video tomorrow. I think.
Yeah. 5 o'clock.
Okay, guys. Good night, ne?
What can you find in the street, guys? Food.
Why you no sleeping? You must sleep. Put your hands like this.
Tim.